Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dustin in Georgia on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. I love these little radios. If you're an AM talker, don't talk any sideband, need something compact and super powerful, this is it. These are great audio monsters. Clean waveform. Stryker does an awesome job with them. That's all I can say. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down. That's if you decide to run an amplifier Dustin, you have full adjustability. And 15 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 45 bird, 100 watt slug, PEP. Hello, 100 watts on the money. And if you got one of these already, you key in it and you're like, well, what's that 1.0 over there? Well, we hope you got a 1.0. That's your SWR. Reads it when you're keyed up. 1.5 or less, you're fine. Okay, Dustin, I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.